Welcome to your first math lesson. All right, today for math, we are going to be learning a little bit more about each other. And we're going to be creating something called a glyph. You might go, what's a glyph? Well, this is how you spell glyph. G-L-Y-P-H. And it kind of rhymes with cliff. Okay, now a glyph is simply a picture or a figure whose parts represent information about a given subject. And you may go, what does that mean, right? Well, I wanted to show you some examples of some students that did this with me last year. I thought about having you guys each do a glyph like this, but then not only getting you all the supplies would be hard, is I would have to have it back right away so that I could input the picture because you guys will be sorting each other's beetles. So I thought I'm going to have to create it digitally so that I can be able to do it. And lucky for me, I found somebody else that had created it. So I just used theirs. All right, so this is a glyph. All right, this is a beetle glyph. This is one of my students last year that created this. So each of the circles means something, each of the lines means something, his hat means something. That's what a glyph is. It's got pieces of it that means something, okay? Here's another one of my students. This is a girl that was in my room. She created this glyph. All right, so we're gonna get started on our glyph, and I'm gonna show you step by step how to do this. So you might have to watch the video more than one time. I have put on slide 2 a list of all the months of the year and their numbers in case you didn't know what number your month was born in to help you. This is going to be a legend. It's going to show you each of the pieces that you're going to be doing today. But lucky for you, it broke it up step by step, which I think is so much easier. All right, so this is your first step. I am on slide 4 right now. Okay, so you should be on slide 4 when you're doing this as well. All right, so your first step is, are you a boy or are you a girl? A boy should look like this one, and a girl should look like this one. Well, I'm gonna do mine, so I'm a girl, so I'm gonna go ahead and click on this girl slide, and I'm gonna click slide 5, okay? Then it says, what is your favorite season? Okay, so I have to think of what is my favorite season. Green right here is spring, orange right here, yellow right here is summer, orange right here is fall, and blue right here is winter. And personally, I love the fall. That's my favorite season. I love when the leaves fall and it gets cooler and I can wear my sweatshirt. So I'm gonna go ahead and pick this orange one right here, and I have to click on it, and then I have to click on slide 9 for my computer. So here it brings me to my beetle. This is a girl beetle, and it's got the color I need. I didn't have to fill in any of that. That was done for me, which is nice. I just had to click on the right one. Now you're gonna have to scroll to the left and to the right to get the rest of the information. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and scroll to the left and start there. It says drag the correct number of dots to the beetle to show the month when you were born. For instance, January is 1, May is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'd have to drag 5 dots in there. So you have to think, what month was I born? And then again, if you don't know, you can go back to that top graph, and I'll show you that really quick again. That top graph right here will show you what number you are. Now I was born in July, so I am number 7. So I'm gonna go ahead and go back, and I could even click back on here if I can't find the beetle or can't remember which one I was, and I go, okay, yep, I still like that orange, I like that fall, so I'm gonna click on that one, and I still know I'm on the right beetle, okay? So I have to drag 7 dots onto my beetle. 1, 2, 3, and I'm gonna try to make them kind of even for me. 4, 5, 6, and I'm gonna put another little one like off to the side over here, 7, okay? So I have my months of the year done. Now it says drag 1 stripe to the beetle to show how many people are living in your house today. Now you include that you're living in your house, so don't forget yourself, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and drag those over. So I have 4 people in my house. I have my husband, which I'm going to make this little box a little bit smaller. I have my son Miles, and again I gotta make this one a little bit bigger now, so I'm gonna have to drag it over a little bit. I do realize this is gonna take some time. I have my daughter Avery, so again I'm gonna have to drag that on over. And I have myself. I do live in my house, so I'm gonna go ahead and drag that one over. So I have 4 people and 4 stripes to represent those 4 people, including myself. All right, now we're on the last step. It says drag the correct color hat to your beetle to show your favorite sport. Now your favorite sport might not be listed here. That's okay, just pick the one you like the best, okay? So soccer is this cool red hat. Skiing is this white hat, basketball is this brown hat, and swimming is this purplish blue hat. I like swimming the best, so I'm going to go ahead and drag my hat right on top of my beetle. And that is it for today's math lesson. I need to make sure you turn in this lesson so that I can therefore try to make copies of each one to import it into tomorrow's slide. All right, have a great day. Bye.